independence means freedom, but not freedom for every responsibilities that we have. This is our 78th Independence Day. On this day, we have to take many promises by ourselves. We have to take many promises for our country. And now we are starting our program by our little sweet student speeches. First, we have Vishwa from nursery, and he will say his speech. Come, Vishwa.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vishwa Dattatraya Kemal. School name is Rahul English Medium School. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now it's time for the next speech. This speech is also from KG section. Shreya, please come here and say your speech.
Good morning everyone, my name is Raya Sandeep Sabe. I am senior KG student. I wish you happy Independence Day. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now I will call on stage Ansh from 1st standard.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ansh Ganesh Lora. I study in 1st standard. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating Independence Day. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now, from 2nd standard, we have Swaraj for his speech.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, all my dear friends. My name is Swaraj. Today is 15 August and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India got freedom on this day in 1947. It is the national festival of India. Our great freedom fighter divided their whole life for the independence of our country. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Next, our little Sutubhya will come and say her speech.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Krutanya Dattatraya. My school name is Rahul English Medium School and College. I study in 2nd standard. Today is 15 August. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day. 15 August 1947. India got freedom from the British rule. Independence Day is the national festival of India. Saints and great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose and Rani Lakshmibai and many others. I am proud to be an Indian. भारत की जान है तिरंगा, भारत का सम्मान है तिरंगा, 3 रंगों से बना प्यारा तिरंगा, पूरे जहां में लहराए तिरंगा, पूरे
चलो चलो फिर से आज वो नजारा याद कर ले, शहीदों के दिल में थी वो ज्वाला याद कर ले, जिसमें बहकर आजादी पहुंची थी किनारे पे, देशभक्तों के खून की वो नजारा याद कर ले, वो धरा याद कर ले।
Once Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said that you give me blood, I will give you freedom. We have to remember that this freedom is not given, we have taken it. And today's day, we have to cherish this freedom and we have to give our full respect to our freedom fighters. Our next speech is from 3rd standard, Padmaja. Padmaja, come here and give your speech.
Good morning everyone, my name is Padmaja Sanjay Maskar. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. India got freedom on this day. We hoist our national flag on this day. Everybody sing the national anthem. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Now our sweet little Veer has prepared a song for this special day. Veer, come here.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान भी सुन के, कोई धन है क्या तेरी दूर से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरे हाथ जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा। आंचल तेरा रहे माँ रंग बिरंगा, ओ ऊंचा आसमां से तेरा तिरंगा, जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे, मंजूर में जोड़ी तू चुने। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान फिसल के, कोई धन है क्या तेरी दूर से बढ़ के, धूप से रोशन तेरी हाथ जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा। थैंक यू।
Next we have Gorosh from 3rd standard for a speech.
Good morning everyone, my name is Gorosh Nathanaeshwar Garade. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today is 78th Independence Day. India, I want to wish all happy Independence Day. I will be promised to be best for my country. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Next we have Vishwajit from 4th standard for another speech.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I am Vishwajit from 4th standard. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Our country independence done on 15 August 1947. And many for our freedom fighters sacrificed this life. East always in the best. Thank you.
Yes, east or west, India is the best. And we should never forget the beauty of our country. We should never forget in the colors. We should never forget the mountains. Everything that is beautiful in our country. Now our 6th standard students Shreya and Snehal have prepared a song for this special day. Please Shreya and Snehal come here and sing your song.
We hoist our national flag on this day. We sing our national anthem. We celebrate this day with joy. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Our next student is Kartiki. Kartiki, come here and say your speech.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Kartiki Kiran. First, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day for our country. We got freedom on 15 August 1947 British rule. Independence Day is the national festival of India. On this day, we remember our brave freedom fighters. I love my country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
गूंज रहा है भारत में भारत का नगाड़ा, चमक रहा आसमान में देश का सितारा। आजादी के दिन आओ मिलकर करें दुआ कि बुलंदी पर लहता रहे तिरंगा हमारा, लहता रहे तिरंगा हमारा।
Next, Tasmia will come and say her speech.
Good morning everyone, honorable chief guests, respected principal, ma'am, teacher, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Tasmia Patan. First I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August, the Independence Day. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day. On this day, 1947, we got independent from British rule. This day is our national festival of our country. Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, they are great freedom fighters of our country. Now I will say two lines for our nation. He Preet Jahan ki Reet Sada, He Preet Jahan ki Reet Sada, मैं गीत वहाँ का गाती हूँ, भारत की रहने वाली हूँ, भारत की बात बताती हूँ। हे प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, हे प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा। Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day once again.
भारत की रहने वाली हूँ, भारत में रहना चाहती हूँ। Yes, we always should proud to be an Indian. Next, Sadia will come and say her speech.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sadia Yunus Pathan, student of Rahul English Medium School and College. I study in 8th class. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. After many years hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India, on 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. We should never forget their sacrifice, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, many other freedom fighters make India free from the British rule. On this occasion, we all remember their sacrifice and thank them to be a part of an independent country. On this occasion, we should be promised to ourselves, we should be always respect our flag, our country, our freedom fighters. We should be never fail importance of our freedom. अपनी आज़ादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं, अपनी आज़ादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं, सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं, सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं. Thank you so much and happy Independence Day once again.
Now our next student will Suraj. He will come and say again a speech.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Suraj. I am studying in 8th standard. I am going to speak a few words about Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Friends, we all know as Independence Day is a day of honor and pride of every Indian. In this day, 1947, India got freedom for British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, and many others are developed their whole life for independence our country. अरे पानी में कोई आग नहीं लगा सकता, अरे पानी में कोई आग नहीं लगा सकता, और हमारे हिंदुस्तान से कोई आंख नहीं मिला सकता, और हमारे हिंदुस्तान से कोई आंख नहीं मिला सकता. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Now we are almost to the last speech from by our students. Shubham, please come and say your speech.
Respected Chief Guest, Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and fellow students, good morning to all. Today we gather to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. It's a special day when we remember the hard work and sacrifices of the people who fought for our freedom. Our country's independence was not just a moment in history, it is an ongoing journey. This day reminds us of the values of freedom, unity and patriotism. It's a time to appreciate the privileges we have and to think about our responsibilities. As students, we can contribute to our country in many ways. We can work hard in our studies, help others and be honest and kind. Let us all work together to build a better nation. Freedom is the light that guides our way, a precious gift we cherish every day. With hearts united, let's celebrate and say Happy Independence Day in every way. रक्ताचा प्रत्येक थेंब देशासाठी वाहिला जाईल, दुश्मनांच्या नजरेत भीतीचा दरारा घातला जाईल. स्वातंत्र्याचा हा उत्सव जयघोषाचा आहे. जय हिंद, जय भारत हा मंत्र आजही आमचा.
Yes, Shubham has said it right. You have to remember your duty as a student towards our country. You have to do your best always for our country and for yourself as well. Now I am requesting our principal ma'am to come here and say some few words. I will thank one of our parents, Mr. Kiran Sudar, and the members of Paramvari Gram Panchayat for the kits for our students. Everyone give a big round of applause. Students, say thank you. Thank you. Now, Principal Ma'am will say something. After his death, the idea should incarnate itself into 1,000 lives. And we teachers have prepared a song, a special song for today. Now we will sing this. Thank you. वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन। लबे आई है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत उजाला मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत खुदारा मेरी, ए वतन मेरे वतन ए वतन मेरे वतन। KG section we have Gayatri Miss and Sheetal Miss. From first standard our teacher is Hema Miss, second standard teacher is Jyoti Miss, third standard teacher is Karishma Miss, fourth standard we have Rinku Miss, fifth standard teacher is Dipali Miss, sixth standard teacher is Jayanti Miss, seventh standard we have Rushali Miss, eighth standard teacher is Sukanya Miss, and I am Ruksha Miss. I am the teacher of 9th standard. Thank you so much everyone for present here. Once again, happy Independence Day to all of you. Enjoy your independence and never forget your responsibility towards the country. मैं रहूँ या